Well, welcome to Fall 2022. So right now we're on the ENGL 101 homepage. And so here you see the welcome, my welcome graphic, and then my graphic telling you when I have my office hours. Here you have a bunch of recordings of the interactive live lecture. The interactive live lecture is inside your modules, and this classroom is very easy to navigate. All you have to do is press on modules, and then you have access to everything. You have access to your assignments, your quizzes, and your discussions. So all you have to do is click on modules. If you click on syllabus, you get the syllabus, and then if you scroll on down syllabus, you get to see all of your due dates. If you scroll on announcements, you get to see all of my announcements, and if you scroll on home, you get to see this page. This is the home page of the ENGL 101 Fall 2022 class. So here you have all of my interactive live lecture supplement videos, which supplements the interactive lectures that's inside your modules. And if you miss my live lectures, you can watch my recorded lectures from past semesters. And so all you have to do is, if you're on week 1, you could click on the week 1 lecture to see my recorded lecture, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8, week 9, week 10, week 11, and week 12. So these are all the lectures that you're going to need for your 12-week class, because this English 101 class lasts 12 weeks. So every week you will have a lecture to listen to. So here you have, so if you miss my fall 2022 lecture, you can listen to my winter 2022 lecture. You are going to have 4 quizzes in this class. So for the week 1 quiz, you're going to listen to the week 1 quiz video. For the week 3 quiz, you're going to listen to the week 3 quiz video. For the week 5 quiz, you're going to listen to the week 5 quiz video. And then for the week 7 quiz, you're going to listen to the week 7 quiz video before you take the quiz. Let me say that again. Before you take the quiz, you need to study the videos. These are the lecture notes that go with these live lectures. So English 101, Winter 2022. So let's say we're in week 1. Then you want a week 1 lecture notes, means that you click on it, and it's the written version, transcript of the week 1 lecture. And the week 1 lecture goes over your quiz 1 prep. So right away, you need to study for your week 1 quiz prep before you take your week 1 quiz. Then the week 2 lecture transcript, this is the week 3 lecture transcript, which goes with this week 3 recorded lecture. So it's the exact same thing. Should be here it's what is peer pressure, and then here you'll read about what is not peer pressure, what is peer review. Okay, in week 3 you'll read about what is peer review, and here you'll watch the video about what is peer review. So they all match. You'll figure that out quickly. Week 4 also will match the week 4 live lecture videos, and these are all the transcripts to the weekly live lectures, and you can watch it, you can cut and paste it into your Word document, and then you can print it out. That's what one of my students told me that you can do. Mainly it's I told students that these are all read only, but then one of my students told me, well, teacher, I cut and paste what's on what's on your computer or what's in these transcripts, and then she cut and pastes it right into her Word document, and then she prints it out. So that's one way in which you can print it out, okay? So here you have your transcripts for each weekly Zoom lectures. Here's another. If you don't want to watch my winter 2022 live lectures, you can watch my fall 2021 live lectures. It's the same thing, okay? Except it's from a different semester, and you get to see fall scenery instead of winter scenery. That's the only difference. This is the fall 2021 Zoom live lecture. So if you miss my live lectures, you can watch the fall 2021 live lectures, and then all of these lectures still match all of these English 101 lecture notes. Still the same. And then when you take your quizzes, these are the PowerPoints that go with these quizzes. So that the PowerPoints are the transcripts to these quizzes. So if you prefer to study the PowerPoint and not watch the video, you can just look at the PowerPoints here. And I believe these are all read-only. And if you want a hard copy of the actual PowerPoint of the week 1 quiz, I'll gladly email you the actual PowerPoint. And so if I forget, you would say, Professor H, can you email us all the week 1 quiz PowerPoint? And then I'll remember to do it, okay? So if you need a hard copy of these PowerPoints, you can always email me, and I will email you your the actual quiz PowerPoints. So that pretty much is it about my my homepage. And then if you want to go to other places in the classroom, all you have to do is press on modules. And as you see, your modules will take you to your week 1, all of your assignments, everything is here. Week 2, everything is here. Week 3, everything. And you notice here it says week 3 interactive lecture, right? And it says here week 2 interactive lecture. Let's go back to our home page. Gee, I don't feel like reading those interactive lectures. I want to hear Professor H narrate it. So you can go back to your home page, and then you can go back and listen to my interactive live lectures. And so here, once again, I press on modules. And then once you get to modules, if you want to read about me, you can click on About Your Instructor. The Course Cafe is if you have questions or you just want to hang out with other students. It's not a graded discussion forum. Of course, you could always press on discussions in order to get to your discussion forum. So all of your discussion forums are under discussions. Now I'm not going to click on grades, but for each individual, if you want to keep up with your assignments and you're thinking, what assignment am I missing? Why do I have such a low grade? Then you click on grades, and it will tell you what assignments you're missing and what your grades are and what you need to get done. So that you can do. So let me recap. You don't have to worry about this bookshelf thing, okay? So that's not important. Now, if you click on syllabus, you're going to see the actual syllabus for the class. Let it load. So here, if I scroll down, I get to see the grades, I get to see the syllabus, and I always tell students to look at your syllabus a week ahead of time. So that way you have time to ask me questions. So here your reading should take 48 minutes. Your essays should take 24 minutes. Quiz prep, 8 minutes. Total estimated hours, 80%. And here you have all your percentages of how you're going to discussion questions worth 20%, assignments worth 40%, quizzes worth 40%. Total is 100. Here's the grading. So here you get all of the, but if that's not all, you don't just simply scroll up and down. You can scroll inside here. Now here's another trick. Scroll outside. Look, 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 look. Ah, yes, you get to see the dates. This is a common mistake among students because when they go to syllabus, they think this is it. Oh, okay. And then they go off to discussion or somewhere else. They forget you can also scroll outside the syllabus. Look at this. You scroll inside the syllabus, it does something. Now when you scroll outside the syllabus, what you're going to see are all of the due dates. Okay, so that's really important, is to keep track of your due dates. And this means that the last day of class, Friday, December 23rd, it's easy to remember, right before Christmas Eve, this class ends. So this is the due dates for everything. So whenever you're stuck and you're like, and also remember that your forums, let's go to the forums. Let's see if I can, your forums have 2 due dates. So let's go to your discussions. Let's go to week 1. What does writing mean to you? So here, your first post is due by Wednesday at 11:59. Then respond to at least 2 of your fellow student posts by Sunday. So each forum has 2 due dates, Wednesday and Sunday. So each week, your first post is going to be on Wednesday, and then and then you have until Sunday to respond to 2 students. Now notice something else interesting about this class. Every other week is a forum, not every single week. Yay! So you don't have to, discuss stuff every single week. It's just week 1, week 3, week 5, week 7, week 9, and week 11. So that means that in week 2, there are no forums. Week 4, no forums. Week 6, no forums. Week 8, no forums. Week 10, no forum. And week 12, no forum. So every even number, no forums. Every odd number, there's a forum. So that's one way to remember it. And then I'm going to give you the Zoom, your Zoom class, but I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to put the Zoom class code onto the home page. I haven't done it. That's the one thing I haven't done yet to prep this class. So I'm a little behind, yes. All right, so if you have so now I'm going to click back to the home page. So this video is mainly just to show you the home page and all the different parts of the home page, where I'm going to always have a different graphic. And then here you have my interactive live lecture videos. Then you have, if you're missing from winter 2022, live lecture videos, quiz videos, live lecture notes, and then fall 2021 videos, and then quiz PowerPoints. So if you have any questions, you can always email me at yho@fortis.edu.com.